At this point, I've just opened the full Kraftwerk song, the virtual dub cursor, ready to start investigating where things start and stop in the movie. I'm looking. Still looking. I think I found the beginning here. Now what I'm doing each time is to place the cursor in a certain spot, press play, listen. If it's not the right spot, then I stop, move the cursor to somewhere else, start again, listen, move it, and so on, till I think I found the right spot. I make a mental note of the number of the frame where I think it's just about right, okay? Now to make this screen, I've made a mental note that it's at 1498 that I want to cut things away. I want to get rid of everything before 1498. So I go right to the beginning of the file and I press the home button, okay? Then I go to 1498 by moving the cursor in virtual dub and press the end button. And it's at that point that you see that blue line appear in the display, okay? That's the part that's going to be thrown away. Press the delete key and away it goes. Now if you're nervous about throwing things away like I am, just remember that you can always go back and undelete. It's not that big a deal. Now we start looking again, only this time we're looking for the end, right? So we place the cursor, listen, place the cursor, listen until we get the number of the place where we're going to start discarding. In this shot, the mouse button is on one of the little special buttons at the bottom. You can move a frame at a time, so you can get an accurate positioning in the trace. At this point, I'm still looking. Here I found the beginning of the part that I want to discard, so I've pressed home. And in this snapshot, I'm using the special key at the bottom to go right to the end of the clip, and then press end so that I can mark the opposite end of the part I'm discarding. So having discarded that piece at the end, we can now just save the result. The only thing I would say is that, and I'll mention this in the notes, you'll have to make a certain setting in the video options, but otherwise we're more or less finished.